Alright, so for this video series, we're gonna use Affinity Designer. It's on the iPad App Store. Really good program. What we need from this program is just layers. Does have different options on, like, what do you call it, vector drawings or pixel drawings, but we just use vector to make things easy and simple. So for this 5-part series, you'll learn how to install it, which is pretty easy. Just go to the App Store and install it. It is $10 though. That's the only downside, and you also do need an iPad. But from there, we'll create the file, make sure it's like the right size, but you can change the size of the file, the canvas, whatever. Then we create an FD art, organize it with different layers, and from there we'll create our MetaMask, our Rarible account, and be able to upload our NFT art collection to sell it. Alright, so let's get started. Designer, open it up, create a new file, new document. So for device, go to web, because we're gonna put it all over the web. Pixel size, because that's what we're using. 512 is a good size for your file. Your DPI is just the resolution, so 150 is fairly decent. If you want something a little more high definition, go to 300, 600 if you're really fancy, but it will probably show a lot of flaws, so keep it at 150. It's a good safe bet. Alright, so now that we've created the file, we can start creating the layers. So new vector layer, let's rename it to, let's say, background. So to make it easier and a little faster, we create the background layer, then select that, duplicate it, actually no, sorry, say vector layer, that's one, put it in here, so nested. So now you have background with one layer. So again, now that we have this, we can just copy all of that, duplicate it, duplicate, and so for our layers, we're gonna have the background, a body, ears, nose, eyes. Let's keep it simple, but we do have like 3 variations, so we can make our NFT art collection pretty diverse. Okay, so let's rename it. Make sure that the ears are always behind the body. And like the way you layer things, it's honestly up to you. I'm just showing you a basic example to make your life easier and hopefully get you started on everything pretty fast. Body. Magic. All right, there we are. Gotta click it multiple times. And eyes. Okay. All right, so let's